Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Colmi P78 smartwatch. It is the latest smartwatch from Colmi. And on this video, we are going to explore on the list of watch faces that is available for the P78. Remember, on our first video, previous video, we paired it with its Colmi Fit application on Android smartphone. Okay, so we are already paired or connected to the support app. So let's explore the additional watch faces for the Colmi P78 smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the wearable, drop a comment below, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's start and explore the Colmi P78 smartwatch. This wearable is already preloaded with several watch faces. Let's see if we can change it. So long press on the screen. So we have here a Colmi watch face, an analog watch face, another digital. Okay, so it is preloaded with several watch faces. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the default watch face. 7 or 6. We have at least 6 watch faces for our Colmi P78. So preloaded watch faces are at least 6 watch faces. Okay, if you want to download an additional watch face, just open the Colmi Fit application. As you can see here, we do have a section for watch faces. So let's try and download an additional watch face for our smartwatch. So let's go to the face gallery. Okay, so let's wait. So we have here different categories. We have art, new watch faces, funny. We do have here colorful, activity, classic, and modern. Okay, so let's check on the art section. We have here the art section. Let's wait for it to download or to load. So here are the additional watch faces for the art section. We have new watch faces. Okay, this one is, it looks nice, this one. Okay, the classic, I like that. So there's a lot of design in the new watch faces, as you can see here. Nice. So we do have a very comprehensive list of watch faces for your Colmi P78. Okay, then we have funny. Okay, so limited options for the funny, colorful. Okay, so we'll not wait for other watch faces to load here. And we do have the activity. Okay, that's it. Okay, no more for the activity. We have the classic and the modern. Okay, I like this one the most. Okay, so let's try and download this one. So we have the MOS. Then let's try to apply. Okay, it's now loading, as you can see here. So let's wait for it to finish downloading. So high-tech appearance, the cold tone atmosphere as if from the sci-fi world of precision machines. Okay, so let's wait for it to finish downloading. Okay, so we have successfully downloaded the MOS watch face, let's see. And we have here the watch face. Professional looking watch face here. I like the day here, the time, I like the date. Okay, then let's have another one. Let's go here on the new watch face section. Let's try this magic daily. Then apply. How many watch face can we download? It's now loading. Okay, can connect. Let's wait for it. 6%, 7. As you can see here, our smartwatch automatically switched to download mode. So 30%, 39. I guess the speed of downloading depends upon your internet connectivity. So far right now we do have an average speed, so it's a bit slow. Okay, 71%, 73, 76. So we're almost finished here, and we are done, I think. Okay, as you can see here, we do have an additional watch face. Let's see if our previous watch face is still here. Yes. So now we have more than 6 watch faces for our smartwatch. Okay. Then let's go to the custom watch face. Do we have a section for the custom watch face? No more data. I don't know if we do have a section for that. Let's see. Nope, not that one. Art. Let's see here on the section of art. I don't see. Do we have a custom? Yes, we do have here. Okay, it's on the first part. Okay, so edit. So we do have here permission. Allow Colmi Fit to access photos and media on your device. We'll allow it. Then we do have a preset here. Where can we check or get our picture? Okay. So we also have here an AI outfit watch face. In our case, we'll pick this one. Our custom watch face. We will pick gallery. We have some photos here. We'll pick this one. Nice. Then check. Cannot retrieve crop image. So we'll change to other images. We'll have this one. Okay, no. Then we'll pick another one. That one is a bit blurred. Okay, how about this one? Check. Cannot retrieve crop image. Yeah, I don't know why. How about this one? Okay, so there's an issue here. I don't know if it's our internet connectivity. Okay, I will try to adjust our internet. Wait. Okay, finally we were able to load an image. I guess it is looking for a much wider or bigger image. Okay, so we have here this one. So you can adjust the position, I think, above, below. Okay, you can adjust the color. We'll use black. Okay, not good. This one. Okay, then I guess you have to tap on save to load. Okay, it's now loading. So switching background. So let's wait for it to finish downloading. 29%, 30, so almost 50% here. So that's the only issue for the custom image here. Making sure that you have a much wider graphics or image. Or you can also use the preset here on the smartwatch watch face section. And finally, we do have the custom watch face for our Colmi P78. So that's it for our watch face section for our Colmi P78 smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding this video tutorial, drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. We do have the time. Bye.